Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links to your affiliate to your products on Shopify store. And now to do this, you're going to go ahead to apps right here and you're going to write down affiliate, and you're going to search for it right here. Now what you want to install is this Go F Pro, and this they have a free plan also. You're just going to install it and basically allow them to access your data. Now, when you're done, you can get started. So I'm new to this app. Let's make it 10% skip, and we cannot actually skip it. I'll do this later. Skip the setup. And this is where you can actually have your links. So important links are affiliate portal, affiliate login page, sign up page. So people can just go ahead and here and create affiliate account. Now you will see here page views, orders, revenue, and so on. You will see that how many affiliates you have, how many orders they made, and so on and so forth. Basically, that's how you do this. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.